Hi guys, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Let's take a quick look. First, you're going to notice we are sitting on the back of the transom here. Nice little lounger. This is Sea Ray's new color for 2020. It is called Stone. It is a light gray with a darker gray inlay. A little bit of a different design on the 2020 for the 350. Underneath here, this can actually slide out. Give you some nice leg room there. Kind of rest your feet up a little bit. You also have a nice insulated cool box here, so you can fill it with drinks. You can just hang it here in the back of the boat. Obviously, you have your cup holders, stereo remotes, and USBs on both sides. This boat is equipped with twin Mercury 350 Verados, joystick compatible, so you do have the Axios propulsion system on this boat as well. Stepping aboard. Obviously, we can see our nice SLX tower. It's a great trademark for the SLX line, with the sunshade that comes all the way across the back. So you'll get a nice coverage here at the back of the boat. As we step in, you can see that not only do we have the sea deck on the swim platform, but throughout the entire boat as well. And have a nice, again, insulation here with your sink. You can fill it up with ice, wash everything off. Nice hard surface. With a nice fridge there as well. In addition to the trash receptacle. Alright, just a ton of space in the 350 SLX. Right here is going to be a nice spot for a cockpit table, which is stored right here. Along with a shore power cable. Again, just tons of storage throughout this boat. On this in particular boat, the 350 SLX has an option for this to open up. This one doesn't have it, but it is a nice option. So if this one doesn't work for you, we have plenty of others in stock. Up at the helm, twin Simrad displays, your Fusion stereo controls, all of your halo switching, nice leather wrapped wheel, indicators for your trim tabs. Nice handheld, actually, Simrad VHF. So you're not bound by that cord there, which is nice. Digital throttle and shifts, and then our Axios propulsion system with skyhook there as well. So if you remember the old 350 SLXs, you would remember that the head compartment was over here, and the small berth or sitting area down below was over there. So they did switch it up for 2020. So you still have that little area down there. Again, nice little spot to maybe get out of the sun, get the kids to take a nap. And then our nice spacious head compartment here. It does actually lift up so you can have better access in and out of there. Up in the bow, again, a little bit of a redesign here. Nice spot for some seating here, obviously. Again, tons of storage here. Tons of storage up in the front. A little different, but it works really good. You have another dedicated cooler down here. So again, and then your windlass anchor controls up in the front. Alright guys, again, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.